Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how you can convert this image in Canva like this. Convert your image into enemy characters. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. First open the Canva website and go to the blank template. Now go to the app section and search for 3D and hit enter. After that, click on 3D portrait. And choose your image. Here you can remove the background or generate the image with background. So I am going to generate it with background. Click on generate 3D image. You can see our image is generated. Now click on add to design. You can see that our image is now added to our blank template. You can see our image is blurry. For resolving that issue, you need to click on image. After that, click on edit and go to the image upscale section. Click on it. After that, you can select your upscaling resolution. I am going with 2x and click on upscale. And just click on replace. Your image will be converted into high resolution. You can see that our image is now high resolution, and you can also adjust its colors. So click on adjust. After that, click on auto adjust. Now our image is ready. So this is how you can convert your image into enemy character. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and share button and subscribe button. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.